This is an overview of the Caliper Remote Data Access project. In this particular overview of everything, we have the NRF 52832 microprocessor, which supports Bluetooth. We have a simple level shifter. This is an inverting level shifter, so the firmware on the microprocessor has to handle that, which it does. And this is just, I'm using a standard USB cable. It's a reasonably good shielded USB cable. And here's the calipers that we're using. These are the cheap Chinese calipers that you can buy. I believe this was at Amazon for under $10. You have to add the wire interface here from this wire interface. And this is a Android tablet that's running a Nordic app called NRF Connect, which is a generic way of viewing Bluetooth data. So what we're going to do now is the microprocessor over here is already on advertising, and that's how we're communicating the data, is through not a connected session with the Bluetooth, between the Bluetooth tablet, the Bluetooth microprocessor and the Android tablet, but through advertisement, and in particular what's called manufacturer data. So manufacturer data structure within the advertisement packet is going to carry the data. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on now, and we'll zoom in here a little bit so you can see both of them. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but you can see that as I increase the value, the first 2 bytes represent the actual data, and the third byte, actually that's not really the right way to say it. The first 2 bytes, FFFF, are the generic manufacturer ID that you use if you don't have an ID checked out with the Bluetooth SIG. The next 2 bytes, in this particular case, the 96 and the 00, is the actual data in byte swapped form. So you're going to have to switch that around, so it's 0096. And then the last byte, the 01, indicates that the calipers are in millimeter mode. If we switch that to inches, you'll see that the 0 goes away and it changes, and now you interpret the value as being in inches. So we'll turn it back on again, and there it is back in millimeters. So anyway, that gives the general overview of what's going on with the project. And again, this is the view.